Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto from fresh basil. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. These simple components combine to create a truly delicious and versatile sauce. Ensure your basil is fresh and vibrant for the best results. Now let's get blending. Start by lightly toasting your pine nuts in a dry pan for a few minutes until golden. This really brings out their flavor. Then, in a food processor, combine the fresh basil, toasted pine nuts, and garlic cloves. Pulse these ingredients until they are finely chopped. Next, add the grated Parmesan cheese and pulse a few more times to incorporate it. To achieve that perfect pesto consistency, slowly drizzle in the extra virgin olive oil while the food processor is running. This emulsifies the sauce, making it smooth and creamy. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed to ensure everything is incorporated. If your pesto seems too thick, you can add a tablespoon or 2 of cold water to thin it slightly. Be careful not to overprocess. Once your pesto is ready, transfer it to an airtight container. To keep it fresh and prevent browning, pour a thin layer of olive oil over the top before sealing. It will last in the refrigerator for about 5 to 7 days. For longer storage, you can freeze pesto in ice cube trays or small containers for up to 3 months. It's wonderful with pasta, on sandwiches, or as a flavorful spread.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.